Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a Delcatty from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw nose slightly below intersection. Draw mouth. Draw a triangle shape at the both sides of the circle. Draw a V shape over the head. Draw ear. Draw ear. Detail the head top. Draw a circle below head for the ribcage. Draw a circle at the right side of the ribcage for the pelvic structure. Draw neck. Draw stick lines for leg position. Draw stick lines for leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw tail. Detail the tail. Draw fur around the neck. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.